Ito na naman ako. Hindi ko na naman alam paano ko umpisahan. Ang katilagi ng ilong ko. Hi everyone! Today, I will be doing my intro video para naman may idea kayo of who I am and what can you expect with my videos. So first, let's start off with my name. I am Precious Melody Garcia Sebastian. But now, I am Precious Melody Sebastian Santos. Forgive me kasi hindi pa ako sanay. Because I just got married December 1 and today is December 12. So wala pang 2 weeks. My nickname is Rizzy. It's R-I-Z-I. Ang tawag sa akin ng aking mother and father ay Chichay. I am 27 years old. I was born February 5, 1989, year of the snake, Aquarius. I graduated high school sa St. Louis College of Valenzuela, which is literally 100 steps away from my house. Kaya, graduate ako ng high school nang hindi ako marunong mag-commute. So, that's the problem. The first day of college, umiyak ako kasi nga, hindi ko alam paano mag-commute. Hindi ko alam kung paano pumarap sa jeep. Ang course ko ay physical therapy. It's a 5-year course. I graduated March 2010. I took the board exams the following year and luckily, pumasa naman po ako. I am anemic. Sobrang low blood ko lagi, nahihilo ako parate, konting yuko ko lang, konting galaw ko lang habang umaandar yung sasakyan, nahihilo na ako. Alam pa ako nung bata, kapag yung mga pinsan ko, masaya kami, biglang matitigil yan kasi nga, si Rizzy nadapa, si Rizzy pumutok yung labi, si Rizzy nasubsob, si Rizzy nakaladkad, my goodness. Work! Syempre, physical therapist, no? Nagturo din ako sa isang review center, yung SRG. Nag-overlap yung work ko doon sa work ko sa hospital sa Fatima. After, yun nga, 4 years, I decided to change my career. So, from medical field, napunta ako to video production. I worked in a company for a year. I worked as a segment producer. Then, na-promote ako as an executive producer. After a year, I decided to resign. Tinuloy namin ni Aldwin yung business namin, which is Black Box Production. So, Black Box Production is an events and video company. So, we organize events from small events to big events. So, if you have events, guys, don't forget to contact me. And then, we also do video production, all kinds of video, all sorts of video, ginagawa namin yan. So, from wedding, debut, surprise party, company video, marketing video, TV ads, commercial, you will meet different people kasama ko sa videos. So, syempre, let's start with my family. Si Mama, she's very beautiful, she's kulot, she's maputi, she's very kind. And my Papa, he's very pogi, guwapo, may bigote siya, I'm a daddy's girl. Parehas kaming masungit, tsaka parehas kaming masungit. Si Kuya, he is so addicted to gadgets. Walang phone na tumatagal sa kanya. Ever. Ang lagi pa namin kasama si Riley, ang bata. Sobrang adorable, sobrang charming, sobrang lovable. Yung isa ko pang family, nasa Laguna, si Mama, si Papa, at saka si Angela, my sister. And of course, si Aldwin din nga pala kasama namin dito sa bahay. Yung asawa ko. Ay, goodness, hindi pa rin talaga ako sanay na pinapakilala siyang asawa ko. Kasi 12 years kaming mag-boyfriend. He is my first boyfriend. Nakakilala kami nung high school, 3rd year high school. I was 15 years old noon. 27 years old pa lang ako, no? Pero may mga anak na ako. Ang unang anak ko, si Christine Manuel. Si Christine, sobrang cute kasi ako sa kanya. Hindi naman siya cute, actually. Pretty siya. Sumunod na mga naging anak ko nung nag-work na ako sa Fatima. Una, si Ferlane Buendia. Si Kaye. Ayan, si Kaye. Yung mga anak ko nung nag-work na ako sa video production. Ang bunso namin, si Camille Murillo. Si Camille yan, anak ko. Kilay Gaming yan. Kilay is life. Sumunod, si Pauline Marcelo. Si Pao, yan ang anak kong vlogger. So, please, i-follow nyo din. Sumunod, si Bon Lorenzo na mahilig mag-OOTD. Pack na pack talaga. Tapos yung panganay namin na si JC Cotibar. Magaling siya mag-edit. Panoorin niyo din yung mga travel videos niya. Si Daryl. Hindi ko siya anak, no? BBP din yan. Sobrang pogi yan. Grabe. Ang pait. mapagmahal, masipag. O yung mga best friends ko. Unang-una, si Annalyn. Mahilig mang okra yung babaeng yan. Si May, nasa ibang bansa na siya. She's married also. Si Ariza, ang asawa niya si Ardan. Tapos, si Ellie, ang kanyang panganay na babae. At yung kanyang cute na pangalawang baby, si Lorenzo. Tanflor Lucilio. Pero, tinatawag siyang short for celebrity kasi lagi siyang madam. Meron pa akong mga best friends. Lagi ko silang kasama dito sa room. Number 1 is Winnie the Pooh. Tapos, sumunod kay Pooh, si Toothless. How to Train Your Dragon. Ang last addition to the group is si Finika, the unicorn. So, yon, basically, those are the things that you need to know about me. Siguro, ang may offer ko lang ay yung sa work ko. Kasi, very fun yung work ko. We always do video shoots. So, isasama ko kayo sa mga yan. Marami kayong makikita mga models, mga artists. Tapos, may mga events na magaganda. Tapos, kasi yung people around me, they are very interesting, very fun, very loving. So, I guess that's more than enough para maging interesting tong videos ko, no? So, that's basically it. So, that's it. Bye!